Hi, Graydon. Hi. Are you looking at the doggy? Are you looking at that doggy? That scruffy pup? Yeah. Are you looking at the scruffy pup? Hi. Can you talk? Yeah. Do you have anything to say? I know you like that sound. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, pretty boy. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. How are you? Yes. Let's see. Let's see your smile. Chick, chick, chick. Hey. I know. You want to tell us a story? You want to tell us a story? Yes. Do you want to tell us? Do you want to tell us a story? What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? What do you have to say for yourself, young man? There's something on the tip of your tongue. Yeah? I know. You have something on the tip of your tongue. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Huh? Come on. I know you want to say something. I know you want to give a speech. I know you want to give a speech. Are you hungry? Oh, oh no. Oh. Oh, you're kidding me. Say it isn't true. Say it isn't true. You're not getting enough attention? Is that what you're saying? Okay, we'll get you a bottle. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.